I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do file handling in C. We'll go step by step through the process. File handling is crucial for any program needing to store information beyond its execution. It lets your C programs interact with the operating system to manage data on disk. You can perform essential tasks like saving user input, loading configuration settings, or logging events, making your applications much more robust and versatile. To begin, you'll use the fopen function to open a file, providing its name and the desired mode, such as R for reading or W for writing. It's vital to check if fopen returns null, indicating an error like a missing file or permission issue. Once your operations are complete, always call fclose with the file pointer. This ensures all buffered data is written to disk and system resources are properly released, preventing data loss or corruption. For writing data, fprintf is excellent for formatted output, much like printf but directed to a file. To read formatted data, fscanf works similarly to scanf. If you're dealing with individual characters, fput writes one and fget reads one. For strings, fputs writes an entire string, and fgets reads a string up to a specified number of characters or a new line, making it versatile for various data types. Effective error handling is paramount in file operations. Always check the return values of functions like fopen and fprintf to ensure they succeeded. When reading, use fif to determine if you've reached the end of the file, and fera to catch any other input or output errors that might occur. Finally, make it a consistent practice to close every file you open using fclose before your program terminates, ensuring data integrity and resource management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.